today's gonna be a little bit different than the last few videos because we're finally gonna be able to make a video on the Prelude thanks to this bushing that we just got. If you guys don't remember, the last one wouldn't fit at all because it was too small, and I ended up going to Napa. I went to their website and got one online. So with that being said, I already got the bushings installed. They're already pressed in and ready to go, so we're simply on the way to go put them back on the car, and then we're gonna take the car for a car wash, get it cleaned up, and get it ready for the alignment. All right, and I'm gonna hurry up because it's really hot today. It's every bit of 90 degrees. I think we're gonna hit 100 today, so I'm gonna get this knocked out really quick. Hello, Prelude. Alright, we got the car jacked up, so now we're gonna get the wheel off and then get all finished up. But real quickly, if you have an SH and you need the bushing for your lower control arms, go to Napa, so that way you don't run into the same issue that I ran into, because O'Reilly's has their part numbers mixed up, so their SH part numbers and base are all the same. Now the only thing about the Napa is that the parts guy really couldn't find the part, so I went on the website and I found this part number. That's the right part number that you need. And now let's get these wheels off. Okay, that one's off. Okay, both wheels are off. Now I'm gonna start on this side first. Okay, and we're done with this side. This one we already have pretty much everything off. We just gotta get this off. Look how worn this one was. See, if I can move it with my finger, just imagine the way it was moving when the car was driving. And this is the way it should be. Alright guys, and the car is all finished up. I haven't started the car up since the last video that you guys saw it running. I went and changed the coilovers. Yeah, I'm so glad I'm getting alignment. I don't know if you guys can hear, but the tires are just squealing. It's pretty loud. Just want to see how bad the alignment is. Look. Yeah, it is really bad. If I let go of the steering wheel, it's just gonna go to the right side. Alright guys, we're gonna get gas real quick and then we're gonna drop off the car for the alignment. Even though she's old, she's still gonna get premium. Okay guys, we are here. Alright guys, we are here. Tire barns, alignment rack is down, and we just tried to go discount tire, and they don't have an alignment rack at all. Try another shop over here and see if they have a long wait time and if the rack is working. Yeah, Firestone's packed. Alright guys, so today has been a fail so far. Tire barns machine was down. Discount tire doesn't have an alignment rack. Firestone is backed up for like 4 or 5 hours. So huge fail so far. Instead of getting an alignment, we're gonna go wash the car because the car is very filthy outside. You guys hear that? It's so loud. Oh man, that's pretty obnoxious. There are a lot of empty bays. Alright, time to head out. Alright guys, so I kind of lucked out. I called one more place. It's a little further away, but they said they can get me in pretty much right away. So that means we gotta hurry over there so that way we don't lose our spot. But on the positive note, the sun is out now and hopefully it stays out because it was pretty gloomy earlier. Oh, we got a tunnel. You guys hear that? It sounds like I'm just hauling around the turn, but I'm really doing 25 miles an hour. And we're here.
Turn left, then you'll arrive at your destination.
Now the only downside is that I made it a little bit too late, so maybe I'll have to wait, or they may not be able to get me in right away. So we're gonna drop off the car here instead, and then I'm gonna come back in an hour or two and pick it up. Right now we're just gonna be waiting for an Uber. I think that's the Uber right there. Yeah, so we picked up the Evo while the Prelude gets in alignment. And I don't know about you guys, but all that running around earlier today really made me hungry. So I'm gonna go grab some lunch and grab some Dunkin' Donuts, and then we're gonna head back and pick up the car. And I'm still really enjoying the exhaust in the Evo. Dang, that dude almost went into his lane. I think it's pretty much fully broken in now though. Like, it sounds super good. So one of my friends also told me that whenever I let off the gas or downshift, they said my car shoots out flames on both exhaust pipes. And I'm still really enjoying the shift knob. It feels a lot better than stock. And don't forget guys, once I hit 1,000 subscribers, one of you guys is gonna win the shift knob. I may just end up buying a whole new one because of everything that's going on. I'd rather just get you guys a new one anyway. Is that?
A small caramelized coffee with 2 pumps of caramel and 1 liquid sugar, no cream. Alright, that's it, thank you.
Alright, we got Dunkin'. Now we gotta get some food. Gonna get some Jimmy John's real quick. Alright, gonna eat real quick and then we're gonna head back. Okay, and we're back, and here's the Prelude. Should be all done. Alright guys, and the car feels so much better. If you guys notice, you don't hear squealing anymore. It feels so good right now. It feels so much better now that I can actually drive it. Before we get out, I'm going to show you guys my favorite mod on the Prelude. It's a 5-pound Fidanza lightweight flywheel. Alright guys, and after multiple failed attempts of getting an alignment today, we finally got an alignment on the car, and I'm so glad that we did, because that means the car is actually drivable now. I can actually use it whenever I want, and the tires aren't screeching anymore. It's not driving erratically back and forth when we're driving down the road. And also the coilovers that we installed in the last video feel really good. If you notice, they pretty much completely settled on the car. This is pretty much as low as the car is gonna go, and it looks even all around. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. It's not too low, it's not too high. And this side's pretty much the same. Now, right now, I really like the way the car looks. Of course, it needs paint and some body work, but I really think it looks so clean with the RSX Type S wheels. And I might end up getting different wheels, but in the meantime, I really like those wheels. I think they look pretty clean on the car. But I do have a few more mods that are going to be going on the car before we get it ready for paint. So stay tuned for the full build, guys, because this car is going to get a complete makeover by the time we're done. But once again, guys, this about wraps up the video for today. And thanks everyone for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.